Hi guys. So this is it. Just came from town. And yes, we are going home na. We're going home. So maglalakad pa ako. Uwi. And as usual, may eco bag na naman tayong dala. And pag nanay talaga, kailangan mo nang magdala ng eco bag. Pagkabilan di iawid. Diba? Ayan, so naulapon dito eh. Ayan me. So here again, sa stairs. Diba? Lalakad ako pababa. Ayan. Alright, so yan ang aking reels for this afternoon guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.